I'm Andrés Chapa. I'm co-founder of Tierra Prieta.
Again. Hello.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello, Andrés.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Alejandro Chapa. I'm also co-founder of Tierra Prieta.
We discovered biochar in 2014, and we both realized at the very beginning that it has a carbon removal potential. Our first customers were our grandmother and her friends. We went to local gardening clubs. Once you know what biochar is and once you actually see it, then we just couldn't stop it. These are just pecan shells. Maybe you can notice that mostly large particle size. However, we do have some dust. This dust needs to be screened out because it's once it gets into the shell, it transforms either almost immediately to ash, or it starts to block the airflow. Of course, that Himacula has been incredibly helpful, because one of the backbones of the output report is where we need to not only provide evidence of all the removal that we did and the emissions that we caused directly by our operations, we also need to calculate them correctly, and that's where Kula came in. Mark was just incredibly, and the entire team incredibly helpful in getting us a compliant LCA and output report. We can prove that we're not foregoing any emissions event, or we're not double counting our removals. So it's just a very document evidence-based tracking. We always have, that margin of error.
Yeah.
We need to change the weight to the specific weight that we're shipping. And I cannot mass edit. I have to go one by one. But it was a very...
I think maybe this would be a great thing. We developed a new repackaging functionality that is directly made for more mass editing.
I mean, of course, each biochar production facility operates way different. So yeah, we had some challenges at the very beginning. So it was just a matter of getting Kula to understand exactly how our workflow actually works. One visit, Kula understood exactly how we worked. They just changed some things on the back end. I mean, they did their software magic as they do. And that's why we hired them. And then they got it to work. And it's now very personalized to our specific workflow.